Hey guys, this is the Car Tracker here, and this video is to show you how to install the Bose UB20 speakers in wall bracket. And as you can see here, so this is me installing the returner clip on each side of the bracket before I actually install it on the wall. It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated, but most people would already have this installed when they purchased it. But for some reason, me, I had to do that. And I find it a little bit challenging, but it was not that hard. So once you do that, you just have to go ahead and make sure that it's straight and everything is not properly before you actually do anything with it. And here, this is the speaker, Bose speaker that I currently use in my living room and home theater. In the back of it, you would have a 4 millimeter screws. This is what you would use to secure the speaker to the bracket. And there's a specific slot in the back of the bracket that you can actually use to do that. And from there, you would just have to gently measure exactly where you want to place the speaker and trace the back of the bracket on the wall and use a utility knife that you could use to cut the drywall and to install the speaker. Just be careful when you're doing that because too much pressure on the drywall may cause damages to it. So you want to be gentle when you cutting the speaker slots in the and on the drywall. And from there, it's pretty much it. At that point, you just go ahead and take the wire that's come pre-wired in your house, or if you're gonna do your own, then you can do that as well, and hook it up in the back of the speaker. Do a test fit, make sure that it's gonna fit okay when you pull the returner clip toward the back of the speaker and then you slide it in. So if it doesn't fit, all you gotta do is just take it out and shave off where you need to cut on the drywall in order to make it fit properly. And it should look exactly just like this after you cut the hole on the drywall to make it fit properly and stuff like that. And from there, my speaker was upside down, so I'm just flipping it back upside right now. Pull the returner clip toward the back and slide it gently inside of the wall, and it will latch on by itself once it uh, clears the sides and stuff like that. And from there, this is it. And at that point, you just clean it up and you all set. Also, the speaker bracket comes with a 5-degree tilt adjustment in there that you could use to point the speaker in either left or right directions. And I find that very good because sometimes you want to point the speaker to a specific location, but if you don't have that margin in there, it's hard for you to do it. And this is it, guys. So this is my home theater at home, and I got it installed in there. So I have been very happy and pleased with the system. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And if you have any questions or concerns, just post a comment down below. I'll do my best to assist you with any questions.